Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the phone and swiping down once to reveal the quick panel. This gives you fast access. Tap the gear icon to open settings because that's where the system option lives. Once in settings, either select display or use the search bar and type auto rotate to jump straight to the setting. Make sure you're on the main device account and not in a restricted profile so the option appears. This prevents confusion when the toggle is missing. Now, within display, scroll until you see the auto rotate toggle and a short explanation of what it does. Tap the toggle to turn it on. This allows your screen to rotate automatically based on orientation. Once done, pull down the quick panel again to confirm the shortcut reflects the same state. If quick panel shows portrait lock, tapping it will change behavior immediately. Make sure any screen protector or app with orientation control isn't forcing a lock. To finish, hold the phone and rotate it to verify that apps switch to landscape as expected. Video or browser pages are good tests. If rotation doesn't engage, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches and then recheck the auto rotate toggle. If it still fails, make sure no accessibility settings or third-party apps control orientation. Disable those briefly. As a quick troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode to see if a downloaded app is blocking rotation. If it works there, uninstall the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.